In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch visuals in Power BI with buttons. By the end, you'll be able to flip between different report views with a single click using bookmarks and a built-in button navigator. We'll start by creating the bookmarks that capture each view of your report. Bookmarks are simply snapshots of your page that remember which visuals are visible and which filters are applied at that moment. To open the Bookmarks pane, go to the View tab in Power BI Desktop and select Bookmarks. You'll see the Bookmarks pane appear alongside the Visualizations pane. With the pane open, get your report into the first view you want to save. Adjust any filters, slicers, and visual states until the page looks exactly how you want it. When you're ready, click Add in the Bookmarks pane to save this view. Power BI creates a bookmark entry for that snapshot, which you can use later to return to this exact setup. Think of it as locking in the layout and filter context for quick access. Next, change the report to the second view you want to switch to. This might mean toggling visuals, changing what's shown, and updating filters or slicers to the alternative configuration you need. When that second view is ready, click. Add in the Bookmarks pane again. You now have multiple bookmarked views, each representing a different way to look at the same page. You can repeat this for as many variations as you want to offer your users. Now, let's turn those bookmarks into buttons, so switching between views is effortless. Go to the Insert tab, click the Buttons drop-down, expand Navigator, and choose Bookmark Navigator. Power BI will automatically add a set of buttons to your canvas, one for each bookmark you created. These buttons are connected to your bookmarks out of the box, so there's no manual wiring or actions to configure. At this point, try them out. Click the buttons and watch your visuals and filters change as you move between each saved view. This lets your audience explore different perspectives without extra pages or complicated interactions. If a view doesn't look right when you switch, it usually means the bookmark was added before the page was fully set. Just make sure you set everything first, then add the bookmark. And there you go. Using bookmarks and the Bookmark Navigator, you can switch visuals in Power BI with clean, intuitive buttons. Test your buttons, confirm they cycle through the views you intended, and you're all set. That's all for this guide.